Hello friends, let's discuss today what is security. You know what? There's no one definition for the security. Security is awareness, security is protection, security may be common sense, security is presence of mind. Anything in the world which contribute to help us from bad things happening is security. So same fundamental will be applied to any sort of security. Even reason behind first security system invention was crime. In 1966, there were a lady, nurse by profession, living in Jamaica, Queen City, who thought they needed something in place so that people get alerted with crime happening. Name of the lady? Mary Van Britten Brown. Let's see something in cybersecurity, how we see security in a cyber world. Fundamental principles of security. In cyber world, we have three core principles which denotes how we can carry forward the security in real world. Actually, core goal of security in any kind of field, we can say these three principles or three core concepts will apply. The number one is confidentiality, number two is integrity, and the last one is availability. So let's discuss these all principles one by one. Let's start with the confidentiality. By the way, let me park my car and then I'll go to the study room and we'll start it from there. So let's discuss confidentiality. In simple terms, confidentiality is nothing but keeping your secrets secrets. Secrets might be with any form, for example, any sort of information, any sort of data, or any particular assets or valuable things. And if you want to share your secrets or your information or any sort of data with some authorized entity, you have to make sure you should share the secret in a separate way. There are too many models at present to keep your information secure, but as those methods made by someone who might know how to break them. Let me give you some real life examples which will help you to understand confidentiality in a better way. In United States, every citizen need to have SSN. SSN is nothing but social security number. Citizens can use SSN to show their identities. They have to use SSN to fill their taxes. Also like basic things like credit cards, driving licenses, green card, in fact citizenship also demand SSN. So SSN number is very valuable. It need to be kept secret. It need not to be shown openly. If required, only authorized persons should know about your SSN number, such as bankers and government entities. The another example will be your credit card's 4-digit number, which need to be kept secret. This 4-digit number only you can use when you need to do some transactions. You don't have to share it with anyone because it will create some financial loss for you. So guys, I have explained confidentiality principle in very simple term. In different sources you can find different definition for the confidentiality, but as per my thought, confidentiality is nothing but keeping your things secret, and if you want to share that particular secret to someone, you have to use some authorized way or some way where your information should get transferred to the person who's actually authorized with you. Next principle of cybersecurity, which is integrity. In simple word, integrity means keeping things together. In any circumstances, that things should not be get tampered or get separated or get modified. Let me introduce my two victims. Meet Bob, meet Shyam, and I am man in middle who's snipping their details whatsoever they are sharing with each other.
Sham, I'm very excited for the launching of our new software. Yeah, Bob, me too, very excited. Sham, I'm a little bit worried about a small bug what we have with our software. I recommend to the company to fix that bug before launching the software. Yeah, Bob, but company's management thinks that bugs will not give us any pain and will be fixed with the new release. I hope our software should not get tampered.
Now I'm going to modify that software using that bug, and I will put some virus over there, so next time whosoever download that software will have the virus with them. Hacker can tamper your data using different techniques. Let's take another example of hospital. Here, patient expecting his blood test reports.
We have sent your blood sample to foreign lab. Blood test result will be delivered to us by email by end of the day.
Here, if you think someone tampered or played with his blood report and change report result from positive to negative or negative to positive, then there will be the huge impact to the patient. Modifying the information will cause big trouble. We can't imagine the impact. That's why the integrity is the key feature of key principle of security or cybersecurity. So integrity features tells us protecting the data or information from getting modified. I hope you understand what is integrity in security world. Next key principle of cybersecurity, which is availability. In cybersecurity terms, definition of availability is ensuring reliability and timely access to data and resource to authorized individuals. In simple terms, availability is presence of necessarily required things. Some of you might be thinking why availability is also a key feature of cybersecurity. Availability gives you liveness. Availability ensures productivity. If you think from business perspective or business point of view, to grow your business, you need to keep your services available all the time. Let's understand these points with few examples. Consider any online retail sites and you are the buyer and you want to buy some products from that online retail site. Here two things are important. Number one, the availability of product is important, and equally the importance of presence of site. Performance of site should be good. It should not hampered with the bandwidth consumption issue or any sort of latency issue. If loading the products or browsing the products on site is slow and buyer have to spend too much time for loading the products, will create a bad impression of site in buyer's mind. This may cause buyer to move to some another website to buy his product. Let's say you ask for working from home, and basic requirement to work from home is you need to have a decent internet connections. And without internet connectivity, you won't be able to work from home. In this situation, 100% availability of internet is very important. Now I'm believing that you understand what is availability and why availability is key feature of cybersecurity. So guys, I'm trying to explain you each and every term of cybersecurity in a simple manner. I have some small request to you. Kindly subscribe my channel and please like and share this video to all the individuals who are seeking to know more about cybersecurity.